कुछ चीज़ें हमारे बस में नहीं होती। Few things are not in our control. Few things are not in our control. आखिर चल क्या रहा है? What exactly is going on? What exactly is going on? आप मुझसे नाराज़ हैं क्या? Are you annoyed with me? Are you annoyed with me? वह तुम्हारे जैसी दिखती है। She looks like you. She looks like you. उसे मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी। He will have to work hard. He will have to work hard. क्या तुमने उसे कभी देखा है? Have you ever seen him? Have you ever seen him? मुझे नींद आ रही है। I am feeling sleepy. I am feeling sleepy. आपका भाई कहाँ काम करता है? Where does your brother work? Where does your brother work? उसे बुखार है। He has fever. He has fever. Or you can say he is suffering from fever. He is suffering from fever. घबराने की बात नहीं है। Not to worry. Not to worry. Or you can say nothing to worry about. Nothing to worry about. इससे बेहतर कुछ हो नहीं सकता। Nothing could be better than this. Nothing could be better than this. आपको तुरंत यहाँ आना पड़ा था। You had to come here immediately. You had to come here immediately. समझ गए? Understood. Understood. Or you can say got it. Got it. उसे माफ़ी मांगनी पड़ेगी। He will have to say sorry. He will have to say sorry. आप कब आए? When did you come? When did you come? मैंने तुम्हारे साथ बहुत बुरा किया। I really did wrong to you. I really did wrong to you. बताइए मैं आपकी क्या सेवा कर सकता हूँ? Tell me how can I help you? Tell me how can I help you? किसी से कुछ मत मांगना। Don't ask anything from anybody. Don't ask anything from anybody. Or you can say don't ask anybody for anything. Don't ask anybody for anything. वह अपनी इच्छाएं पूरी कर चुका है। He has fulfilled his desires. He has fulfilled his desires. तुमने मुझे जगाया क्यों नहीं? Why didn't you wake me up? Why didn't you wake me up? उसका कल एक्सीडेंट हो गया। He met with an accident yesterday. He met with an accident yesterday. कितने दिन लगेंगे? How long will it take? How long will it take? मैं रात में देर से सोया था। I slept late last night. I slept late last night. यह कमीज मैली है। This shirt is dirty. This shirt is dirty. उसने तुम्हें एक गिफ्ट भेजा है। He has sent you a gift. He has sent you a gift. सबसे अच्छी शर्ट कौन सी है? Which shirt is the best? Which shirt is the best? हमारे पास 2 दुकानें हैं. We have 2 shops. We have 2 shops. पिताजी को दिल्ली जाना पड़ा था. Father had to go to Delhi. Father had to go to Delhi. धूल झाड़ दो. Wipe off the dust. Wipe off the dust. कपड़े सुखा दो. Put the clothes to dry. Put the clothes to dry. वो दुकान से ये खरीद रहा है. He is buying it from the shop. He is buying it from the shop. मम्मी कुछ देर से घर पर हैं. Mom is at home for a while. Mom is at home for a while. कहने की ज़रूरत नहीं कि वो पागल है. Needless to say that he is mad. Needless to say that he is mad. पूछने की ज़रूरत नहीं, वो पहले से ही जानता है. Needless to ask, he already knows. Needless to ask, he already knows. मैं दिल्ली में पला बढ़ा. I was brought up in Delhi. I was brought up in Delhi. आजकल काम बहुत है. There is huge work pressure these days. There is huge work pressure these days. ये मेरी पुस्तकें हैं, वे तुम्हारी पुस्तकें हैं. These are my books, those are yours. These are my books, those are yours. मेरे मित्र दोषी थे. My friends were guilty. My friends were guilty. मैंने पक्का मन बना लिया है कि मैं जाऊंगा. I am determined to go. I am determined to go. Or you can say I have decided to go. I have decided to go. मैं कल बाजार जाऊंगा. I will go to market tomorrow. I will go to market tomorrow. आपसे ये उम्मीद नहीं थी. I didn't expect it from you. I didn't expect it from you. हम रात को सोएंगे. We will sleep at night. We will sleep at night. जैसी आपकी मर्जी. As you please. As you please. आलू छील दो. Peel off the potatoes. Peel off the potatoes. मशीन चालू करो. Switch on the machine. Switch on the machine. उसे मत घूरो. Don't stare at him. Don't stare at him. मैं हमेशा तुम्हारा साथ देता हूँ. I always stand by you. I always stand by you. उसने मेरा साथ दिया था। He had stood by me. He had stood by